There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you, not doing well.
Hi guys, this is Anisha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get that perfect smoky eye with minimal effort. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get started. So first, I'll just use this Fit Me concealer to conceal my eyes so that there is no discoloration and all looks even. I've done my base already. I'm just setting my eyes with the concealer and then I'll lightly set it with the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. All the links will be given in the description box. Now moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm using this Root Cosmetics Blackjack 21 eyeshadows palette and I'm using this transition shade in the shade Sneaky, and very lightly I'll be applying it to my crease. So initially I'm taking very little amount of color, because if you take too much color it will be very difficult for you to blend it. So you can add a little too much later on, but first initially try to just take a little bit and blend it. Now I'm taking this black eyeshadow, game over. I'm taking a small fluffy brush and I'll just apply it below my crease line, and I'll apply it very lightly because black can go too overboard. So make sure that when you take the black eyeshadow, you take very little amount of color. Now again I'm going to take that fluffy brush and I'll make sure that my black eyeshadow is well blended into the transition shade. Now if you want that intense black smoky eyes, then just go for a gel liner or a kajal as a base on your lid before you apply any eyeshadow. So after applying it, I'll blend it with a pointed fluffy brush from my lash line up to the crease where I've applied that black eyeshadow, and I'll blend it very nicely. Done, I'll immediately set it up with a black eyeshadow with a flat brush, and I'll blend all over the edges so that it looks more soft. Make sure that you blend it really well, because if you don't do so it will look very odd. So blending is the key. And once it's done, I'll clear up the edges with the concealer. And now I'll apply the same kajal to my waterline. And then with the help of an angular brush, I'm just going to smoke out that black eyeshadow to thicken my lower lash line. Now with the help of a small fluffy brush, I'm using the transition shade from the palette and I'll apply it just to soften the black in my lower lash line. Now since everything is so intense, I'm just going to take a lighter shade from the palette, which is the first base, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner of the eyes with the silvery white shade. And I'll apply it some to my brow bone. Now once it's done, I'll move on to the mascara. For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal False Superstar, which is my favorite. I'll apply 2 coats of it, and also I'll apply the mascara to my lower lashes. Now when I have so much of intense eyes and it's very dramatic, so I'll be using a lip color which is very soft, and I'll be using this Masaba Gupta's lipstick in the shade Rawr, and then I'll just put up a little bit of gloss which is from NYX, and I love this gloss. It's in the shade Butter. I'll mention all the links in the description box, so do check it. And with this I complete my today's black smoky eye tutorial.